Hi children, today's topic is all about SC words. Words that start with the letters SC. Let's get started. Letter S sounds S. Letter C sounds K. But together they make a sound Sk. Sk. Scale. Scale. School. School. Scout. Scout. Scarf. Scarf. Scooter. Scooter. Scorpion. Scorpion. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Scab. Scam. Scan. Scar. Score. Scone. Scope. Scoop. Scalp. Scream. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.